Amid the branches and leaves of the dense tropical forest lies a world unseen, a tiny, bustling world, yet profoundly organized. This is a story of one of nature's finest architects, the weaver ant. No blueprints, no verbal commands, no technology. And yet, they create marvels. Nests sewn from living leaves, designed through the collaboration of thousands acting as one. Weaver ants, or Oecophylla smaragdina, are arboreal insects. They don't live on the ground, but instead build sophisticated homes in the canopy. What's unique is a use of fresh, living leaves as building materials. Why living leaves? Because they are more pliable, more resistant to wind, rain, and time. Young leaves that are still attached to branches become the ideal choice. Dozens of ants work in unison. They form living chains, gripping each other with jaws and legs, pulling leaf edges together. This collective strength allows them to fold even large leaves, like living origami. But most astonishing is their sewing technique. Adult ants carry their undeveloped larvae, rubbing them on the leaf surfaces. From the larvae's bodies emerges a sticky thread, much like silk. This is a thread of life, stitching two leaf surfaces together. This silk is stronger than human-made adhesives. It dries quickly, is flexible and water-resistant. Their stitching leaves small gaps, allowing airflow and moisture control. Within a single day, a nest can be completed. Inside are rooms for eggs, for rest, food storage, and the queen's throne. And a colony doesn't just have one nest. They build many, spread like a network city, modular, adaptive, but leaves age. They wilt, they fall. When that happens, the ants don't stay idle. They move, they rebuild. True nomadic architects. Behind the chaos lies order. Beneath the activity is a system. They live in a kingdom, silent, leaderless. A weaver ant colony has three main castes: the queen, the workers, and the soldier guards. The queen is the source of life. She lays thousands of eggs, protected with unwavering devotion. Without her, the colony slowly fades. The workers are the colony's engine. Builders, foragers, caretakers, cleaners, divided into task teams, each with specialized roles. And the soldiers are guardians. Larger bodies, powerful jaws, quick reflexes. At the sign of threat, they attack. Without hesitation, without retreat. Their bites are painful. Sharp mandibles, plus a spray of formic acid, making wounds sting and burn. Weaver ants will die for their colony. Even if torn apart, they keep clinging, keep biting. The ultimate act of sacrifice. Once a year, the colony sends out winged ants, males and future queens. They fly in a nuptial flight. Males live only to mate. Queens search for a new place, then start a colony from scratch. Alone, weaver ants don't talk, but they communicate. Through pheromones, through touch, through vibrations. Trail pheromones mark paths to food. Alarm pheromones summon help. Aggregation pheromones rally workers. Sex pheromones attract mates. Identity pheromones separate friend from foe. They also speak with vibrations, a method called stridulation. These tremors are felt through leaves and branches, inaudible to us, but clear to them. What's amazing is that all this runs without a central command. No king, no instructions. This is known as emergent behavior, complex patterns emerging from simple interactions. Scientists study them. Weaver ant systems now inspire technology, search and rescue drones, automated cleaning bots, network routing algorithms. But their role doesn't end there. Weaver ants are nature's guardians. They hunt pests, keep leaves healthy, and support tree growth without pesticides. They even partner with aphids. Aphids produce honeydew. Ants protect them, a mutually beneficial interspecies relationship. They help spread plant seeds too, carrying nutrient-rich seeds, unknowingly planting the forest's future. Though they are predators, they are also prey. For birds, for reptiles, vital links in the tropical food web. Weaver ants are more than insects. They are leaf-tailors, tree architects, forest protectors, and tech inspiration for tomorrow. In a micro-world full of order and bravery, They show us that harmony, sacrifice, and collaboration can flourish even without words. Weaver ants, architects of life from leaf and thread.